Can I say my gimbal?
What gimbal you want to sell?
RSC2.
RSC2, can I
Yeah.
see?
And
Full set, the box and everything?
no, not at all.
No box.
Yeah, no box.
Okay, can I just see what you have?
Oh yeah. So, and pocket 2. Also. And I have a focus motor
Right.
and action 2, right? Also. Everything, yeah.
Just no box.
No box, yeah. I'm traveler, so.
Okay, okay.
And this is a Shure MV 88 Plus.
Okay, I understand, but this is, I mean, I can take it, but maybe not high
Acceptable?
price.
High price, okay.
No high price.
Yeah,
Ah,
understand.
maybe just take a low price only.
Okay. I use it just one time.
This one you buy separately?
Yeah, separately.
So this is not the Pro combo, right? You didn't buy
Yeah,
the Pro combo.
Pro, but I
But
added.
Pro combo, you didn't have the Raven Eye?
Yeah, no.
So it's not a Pro combo.
Yeah,
it's just
right.
a standard
But
one.
add
Then you buy
focus
this.
mode. Yeah.
Okay. You buy it from Malaysia or from Korea?
South Korea. Yeah.
From Korea.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you.
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay. I was sliding. Okay.
It's easy.
Alright. English?
Language? Sure.
Yeah.
Japanese?
No. Thai.
Thai.
Yeah.
Espanol. 중원?
Yes, can.
거의. But
This one, how much did you buy? You pay for how much did you pay for this?
$300 maybe?
$300.
At the time.
Expensive.
Yeah. It's expensive. It's a good one. You know.
Yeah.
I can use no, it's DJI Action 2.
Yeah. I think better you keep this
Yeah.
because I don't think I can take that.
Okay,
high price.
really?
Yeah, this one you can keep it.
Oh, so sad. 이거 왜 샀지?
Okay, so because your items are not from
Yeah.
DJI Malaysia,
Yeah.
so the warranty is not covered by the Malaysia. So any problem, we need to. It's quite troublesome.
Yeah.
Don't be high, I just give you a
Yeah.
prepare you first, So for the pocket 2,
And press 2.
yeah, the pocket 2 and the accessories is a creator combo. I'm taking for 1,200 ringgit. Yeah, it's not high, that's why I told you. 1,200. And then for the RSC2, with this, I take 1,100. So total for both items will be 2,300.
2,000.
If you agree with the price, then only I will start testing them.
Okay.
It's low. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll tell you.
Okay.
So, okay with the price? Yeah, I know you lose a lot, but because you are in Malaysia, so
Yeah, understand.
The warranty
Understand.
is-
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, okay.
And also the RS3 just came out. Yeah.
Yeah,
RS3.
I know
This
that.
one maybe the market
Yeah,
demand.
different. Yeah, different.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a different thing, but still the demand will people
Sure,
will
sure.
ask for the RS3 now.
슬픈 일이네요. 손해를 거의 반값을 봤어. And do you have Sony 24 75 lens? EF lens? The EF?
Sony.
Yeah.
Sony G Master.
G Master maybe?
Sony, right?
Yeah, G Master.
Sony.
Used one.
I have Sigma as well.
Ah.
No,
Heavy.
lighter. The lighter one is Mark II, the GM2, but that one no stock.
Is it
This
old
is Mark 1.
old one, right?
This one is the version 1.
Version one. The year, you know,
The year I'm not
manufactured year.
I'm not sure how old is this lens, but of course, it's pretty old. You can,
이게 보니까 이게 중고인데 지금 170만 원이구나. 170만 원. 아니야. 3, 5, 15 1740 174만 원이네 이거. 손해가 엄청 큽니다.
Yeah. And also go for drinks of items as well.
다 슬퍼. 어쩌겠어.
DSLR body and lens.
I have a Sony A7S3. I bought it last year.
Okay.
How much can you give me the price?
You want to sell?
Yeah, no
Same
box.
thing.
Yeah, no
Because
box.
if you want to sell your A7S3,
Yeah.
it's not a Malaysia set, yeah?
Yeah.
Same, Is there anything that you want to sell? Oh, yeah. It's around 9,008
9
ringgit.
9,008.
Ringgit, 9,800. If it's in good condition,
Good condition.
yeah,
Okay.
around this price. So this one just comes with one cable. Only one cable.
Yeah.
Only one.
Only one.
Okay. This is for this.
Yeah.
What about the camera control cable? Everything?
Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
I will check. And
Oh, yeah,
see
sure.
what's in the box.
이게 새 건데.
The lens support.
Okay.
Lens support.
나 바보짓 했다, 바보짓.
Quick release plate.
Mhm.
Camera riser.
Cables.
Yeah,
There's in Korea.
I need those. Because if I sell without these, it's hard to sell. Customer wants to use it with their camera, and then I don't think I'm able to buy this separately.
But you give me the price. I just accept. I didn't say anything.
Yeah. I'm sorry. So right now, if let's say like this, I also can't, test with my cameras to check all the buttons.
But this is a good one because
Yeah, it's good. I know. I can see it's good, but it's just that when I want to sell it, I need the full set only. I can.
But you can give them to the low price because you give me low price.
No. Sometimes it's not about the price. Sometimes people want to buy. They need to use the cable, the camera control.
But
cable.
everybody don't do that. It's just some people can just buy it.
Because I
it's
sell
okay
to any
because
kind
you.
of people, so
you low
sometimes hard
price.
to say. Yeah.
But I think it's most popular one, and you give me just a half price. So
Not half price, to be honest.
To be honest?
I'm selling this
Yeah.
for Malaysia. We are selling 1,600 ringgit
But-
for this.
the focus motor is also
Yeah, focus motor you buy is very expensive, but when you want to
$100.
resell, it's-
Yeah.
yeah, I know it's expensive,
Mm.
but the resale value is low. So right now, without the control cable, I cannot take this one. I can take the pocket 2, but not the RSC2.
And I think it's this
Four cables.
cable is nothing. It's just $5 or
It's
$10.
not about the money. It's about I need to have that item to be able to sell it easier. If you want to sell, I can continue testing
Mhm.
and give you the 1,200. That I will return to you.
No,
Yeah, I'm not taking it because without the
just only cable.
Yeah, cable is important. Yeah.
케이블 때문에 안 산다는 게 말이 돼?
Cable is this condition
Okay, well, there's no way to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry
Okay.
about that. Okay, so I continue test this.
Yeah, sure.
So, how much?